Hello, everyone. Welcome to Coca English. I'm Layla.
And I'm Sam. How are you today, listeners?
I'm great, Sam. Coca English is your favorite place to learn English words, one word at a time. Simple, fun, and easy to understand. Right, Sam?
Totally. Every week we pick one useful word. We talk about what it means, how to use it, and you can practice with us. No hard stuff, just good times and English learning.
That's right. Today we have a super helpful word. It's a word you might hear at school, at work, or even when you play sports. Do you want to guess what it is, Sam?
Is it a word about people or a thing?
It's both. Sometimes it's a person, sometimes it's an action, and it's spelled C-O-A-C-H. Coach.
Coach. Oh, I love this word. It's so common but so useful. Let's start with what it means first. Layla, can you tell our listeners the first meaning of coach?
Sure. The first meaning of coach is a person. A coach is someone who helps you learn something or get better at something. For example, a sports coach. Like, a football coach teaches players how to play football well.
Oh, right. My little brother plays basketball. His coach is Mr. Lee. Mr. Lee is a great coach. He shows the kids how to pass the ball, how to shoot, and he always says, "Good job." So, Mr. Lee is a coach.
Exactly. Coaches aren't just for sports, though. There's also a life coach. A life coach helps you with your life, like how to plan your days or how to be happy. And a study coach helps students with their homework or exams.
Oh, I need a study coach. When I was in school, I was bad at math. A study coach could have helped me get better.
Me too, Sam. So the first meaning, a coach is a person who helps you learn or improve something. Let's make a simple sentence. My sister's swimming coach is very kind. Can you repeat that, listeners? My sister's swimming coach is very kind.
Good. Now, the second meaning of coach is a verb. To coach means to help someone learn or get better at something. So, the person is a coach, and the action is to coach.
Yes. For example, my dad coaches my football team. That means my dad is the coach, and he helps the team play better. Another example, she coaches me in English, so she helps me learn English.
Let's try that. I coach my friend in tennis because I play tennis well, and I help my friend get better. Is that right, Layla?
Perfect, Sam. And there's one more small meaning. Sometimes coach is a big bus. Like when you go on a trip with many people, you take a coach. But this meaning is not as common as the first two. Let's say we took a coach to the beach.
Oh, right. I took a coach to visit my grandma last year. It was a big, comfortable bus. But remember, listeners, most of the time, coach is about a person or the action of helping.
Let's practice some more sentences to make it clear. First sentence, our school has a new football coach. That's the person. Second sentence, my mom coaches me to cook. That's the action. Third sentence, they went to the city by coach. That's the bus.
Great! Let's do a quick game. I'll say a sentence, and you can guess if coach is a person, action, or bus. Ready?
Ready.
Her coach helps her with piano.
That's a person.
Correct. Your turn, Layla.
He coaches his little sister to ride a bike.
That's the action.
See, listeners, it's not hard to tell the difference.
Exactly. Now, let's think about when we use coach in daily life. Do you use coach often, Layla?
Yes, I have a yoga coach. She coaches me every Saturday. She's very patient, and now I can do yoga better. What about you, Sam?
I don't have a coach now, but when I was young, I had a basketball coach. He was strict, but nice. He always said, Practice makes perfect. And he coached us to work together as a team.
That's a great lesson. Coaches don't just teach skills, they teach us to be better, too. So, coach is a really positive word.
Totally. Let's make sure everyone can use it. Let's make 3 simple sentences together. First, with the person, my English coach is friendly. Say it with us. My English coach is friendly.
Second, with the action, she coaches me to sing. Repeat. She coaches me to sing.
Third, with the bus. We traveled by coach. We traveled by coach.
Great. All easy sentences. You can use coach in so many ways, and it's not a hard word. You can remember it easily.
Now, listeners, we want to hear from you. After this video, go to the comments. Can you make a sentence with coach? Any sentence about a person, an action, or even a bus.
Yes. For example, you can write, I want a coach to help me with English. Or, my brother coaches our neighborhood football team. Be creative.
We'll read your sentences, and maybe we'll talk about some of them in our next video. How exciting is that?
Learning English is fun when you practice, and coach is such a useful word. You'll use it all the time.
Remember, Coca English is here for you. 1 word a week, simple and fun. Thank you for listening today.
We hope you enjoyed learning about coach. Don't forget to comment your sentence below.
And subscribe to Coca English for more easy English words. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.